Hello students, we have already talked about closure property. Now moving to the next property is commutative. Okay, commutative, commutative. Okay, commute. What is the meaning of this commute? Huh? This commute. What is the meaning of this commute? From is the words commutativity or commutative property has been derived. What is the meaning of this commute? To reverse the order. Okay, reverse the order, change the order. Okay, change the order. Okay, so what do you understand by this commute? Take any numbers, 2, 3. Okay, what we are adding, 2 plus 3, we are getting 5. Let's reverse the order. 3 plus 2, we are getting the same result, 5. Okay, for addition of any two numbers, for addition of any two numbers, be it a rational number, integer, natural number, whole number, whatever it is, whenever we will add two numbers, we can add in both way. We can change the order and add it. This is, then if it is 3 by 2 plus 5 by 6, whatever we result will get, it will be equal to 5 by 6 plus 3 by 2. We can change the order whenever there is a sign of addition in between any two numbers. Okay, so all the numbers, rational number, whole number, integers, or what more? What else? Natural number, rational number, integers, and whole number. All four numbers will be following this commutativity for addition. See, I have made this chart for commutative. Look at it. Okay, look at this. For commutative, I have made this. Just look at it. Okay, commutative for rational number, integers, whole number, addition. Whenever we add any two rational number, we get we can change the order. Okay, whenever we are adding any two rational number, it is commutative, means we can change the order and the result will be same. Integers, whenever we are adding any two integers, even then we can change the order and we'll get the same result. For whole number, yes, whenever we are adding the whole number, 2 plus 3, we can write it as 3 plus 2. For natural number, yes, same, we can change the order. So all addition is commutative for all the numbers. Why? Because we can change the order. For addition, it doesn't matter if you're changing the order. Okay, 5 plus 6 or 6 plus 5 will always give the same result. But for subtraction, if you are subtracting two numbers and you try to change the order, the result will be different. Any two numbers you take, be it any number, we don't care which kind of number it is, rational, integer, whole number, natural, these all are numbers only. Actually, there is some different, it is differentiated for its for some reason. Okay, but all are numbers. Whenever we subtract two numbers, we can't change their order. It is not commutative. Subtraction is not commutative for any kind of number. Why? We can't change the order, we can't reverse the order. When we are subtracting two numbers, we can't change the order. Just check it here. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, and when we do 2 minus 5, what the result will be? Minus 3. Okay, I hope you know this subtraction. Whenever we subtract larger number from a smaller number, the result is negative. Okay, so the result will be different. This is plus 3, this is minus 3. If we are adding 6 minus 2, it is 4, and now we do 2 minus 6, change the order, and we'll get minus 4. Okay, actually the sign will be changed. Whenever we try to reverse the order, the sign will change and the result is not same, and 4 is not equal to minus 4. because 4 is somewhere here, 1 2 3 4, and minus 4 is somewhere here. So these two numbers have a great difference. Okay, these two numbers are not equal, the plus 4 and minus 4. So subtraction can't be commutative. You can't change the order when you are subtracting any kind of two numbers. Okay, commutative means changing the order, reversing the order. Okay, now let's see it for multiplication. Let's see it for multiplication. Whenever we multiply any two numbers, you multiply 2 into 3, 6. Now change the order. 3 into 2. Again use like addition only. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 2 is also 5. Whenever we change the order for when we are adding or multiplying, the result will not change. Okay, for multiplication it is commutative, like result will not change. So whenever we multiply two numbers, be it rational number, multiply, yes, it is commutative. We can change the order and we still get the same result. Integer, whenever we multiply to integer, yes, we can change the order and still get the same result. Whole number, yes, we can change the order for multiplication and still get the same result. For natural number, yes, same, we can change the order and get the same result. So for addition and for multiplication, all the numbers are commutative. We can change the order and get the same result. Okay, adding or multiplying doesn't matter, the result will not change by changing or reversing the order. Understood? For subtraction, the result will change, so it is not commutative because the result will change. Okay, for subtraction the result changes if you change the order. And for division, let's see. I hope you understand without my saying also, but still, 3 divided by 2 means 3 by 2. And now again we change the order. 2 divided by 3 means 2 by 3. So 3 by 2 and 2 by 3. The results are different. So whenever we divide two numbers, we can't change the order. We take any kind of two numbers. Take into two integers, take two natural number, take two whole numbers, take two rational number, whatever you take. But whenever you divide it, you will get different result if you change the order. Okay, so commutative for division. None of these four numbers are commutative for division. No. Okay, addition, all the numbers are commutative. We can change the order. Multiplication, we can change the order. Subtraction, no. Division, no. Okay, this was your commutative property. In the next video, I will tell you about associative property and show the chart, explain the chart as well. Okay.